Hi guys, welcome to MaeDay. This is my first ever video. This is one of my favorite breakfasts ever. First, you'll need a skillet, butter, pepper, salt, an egg, a clear glass, bread, and a spatula. We call it Eggy Toast, but whatever you guys want to call it, you can. So first, you will want to take a knife and butter and put the knife with a little bit of butter and spread it on the toast. And you might want to get it all the way to the edges if you're going to eat all of it. Okay, once you have buttered both sides, and then you get a glass. I like to use this because it can cut a very good hole, and you don't want it to go all the way, you don't want the hole to be too big because then you won't have that much stuff. You find the perfect middle hole and you press down on the cup and turn. And then once you're done with that, you set the cup down and you take the outside of it and you set it on your grill. But make sure you guys have adult supervision. And you set the other one. And then once that gets all greasy and bubbly, we're gonna crack the egg in the middle. We are also gonna put a little bit of the butter in the middle of the hole so the egg doesn't stick. The butter is starting to bubble. Now we're gonna crack the egg. So what I usually do is I take the same glass when you cut the hole and I knock the egg a little bit on the glass. And then I go in the middle and crack. And it might get a little over, but that's because then you have a nice and yummy egg. And don't burn yourself on the skillet. And now you just wait for the egg to get all solid, and then you flip it over. We're gonna flip over the little circle to see if if the rest is done. I usually use the side to flip it over. And see how it's crackling? Then that means that this one's ready. So good. Now we're gonna let this cook for a few more minutes and I'm gonna get a plate out. Sometimes I flip it over one more time. Looks ready to me. And now we're gonna put this on top. This is the safety part, kids. You always have to unplug it. There you have it. Have a little May in your day. This looks so good to eat.